I would say that my personal motto is to compete with no one and collaborate with everyone. What that means is how do we actually team up together to look for ways in which we can bring our expertise together and have collective impact.
Gail McVey is the recipient of the 2015 Tentanda Via Award, reflecting York's motto, "The way must be tried." This award is given to a graduate who has demonstrated innovative, unconventional, and daring leadership and success.
So if it wasn't for York, I wouldn't be a psychologist today, and I wouldn't be Canada's leading eating disorder prevention specialist. I discover new knowledge through my research. I then take that knowledge and translate that into practice by doing professional development and networking with different people. And then I work with policy decision makers so that we can actually have an impact on provincial curriculum so that all children and youth can benefit. In terms of misconceptions about eating disorders, I would say that people often think that eating disorders is something that happens only to girls and to women, and it's something that teenagers grow out of. And it couldn't be further from the truth. I would say that being able to raise awareness about how serious these disorders are and looking at them as we might do equally with other health issues and other mental health issues is certainly a goal for our field. The legacy or the impact that I would like to have on the area of eating disorders is for us to be able to build capacity for more prevention, more treatment, so that families and individuals with eating disorders can actually get the care that they need. I would say that my current work in research, practice, and policy stems directly from the training that I received at York University, and that to this day has continued to really inform my day-to-day practice. Clinical psychology was a big draw. So I actually was born and raised outside of Ontario, so I didn't know the Ontario university system very well. But the reputation that York University had for its clinical psychology program was very, very strong, and that was a draw for me to actually move to Toronto, and I never looked back. I was in a clinical psychology program that had a subspecialty called clinical developmental psychology, and CD is the term that we used affectionately for that program. And it was anchored in a scientist practitioner model of training. I'm very grateful because it's the training that I received at York University in this model of care is something that still informs my work to this day. One of its strengths and what it makes it unique is a very diverse student culture, very diverse faculty, and one gets the sense that the sky's the limit in terms of what you can study. Because I'm so passionate about trying to either improve the lives of children and youth or trying to effectively put my prevention research into practice, when I have challenges and so on, I keep my eye on that ultimate goal and try to push through.